In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add transitions in Adobe Express. If you're aiming to enhance your video editing skills, transitions are an essential tool to learn. They're great for adding polish to your projects, smoothing the flow from one scene to the next. Let's dive into how you can effortlessly add these transitions to your video projects using Adobe Express. First things first, open your video project in Adobe Express. Make sure you're in the timeline or video editing view. This area is where you'll spend most of your time when editing, as it provides a detailed layout of your video's sequence. Having your project open in the timeline view is crucial because it's the space where you get to plan and execute the addition of transitions. Now, look for the specific spot between two scenes or clips where you want to insert a transition. Simply hover your cursor over the boundary between these two scenes. Adobe Express makes it straightforward by visually indicating where you are in the timeline. As you hover, you should notice a plus sign, a plus icon, gently appearing between the scenes. This icon acts as your gateway to adding transitions. Click on that appealing little plus sign, and you'll notice a menu popping up with a selection titled Add Transition. This menu is a feature that greatly simplifies the transition insertion process by giving you clear and direct options to choose from. Take a moment to appreciate this seamless step, easing your editing journey. Once you've clicked to add a transition, you'll be prompted to choose the transition type and its duration. At this stage, Adobe Express offers several options to fit the style of your project. You could select a dissolve, a classic transition that gently blends scenes. Or, if you're feeling a bit adventurous, try a push or slide transition for a bit more dynamic movement. Once you've chosen your transition type, set how long you'd like it to last. The duration is vital in determining the pace and feel, enhancing the viewing experience. After you've added your chosen transition, don't just move on. It's important to preview your transition to see it in action. Play your video in the editor to ensure everything flows as envisioned from one scene to the next. This step allows you to catch any discrepancies in timing or style, ensuring the transition doesn't feel too abrupt or drawn out. If the transition seems somehow off, be it too fast or too slow, don't worry. You can easily go back and adjust the transition duration until it feels just right. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to creating seamless, captivating videos with Adobe Express. Adding transitions not only spices up your video, but also ups the quality, making your project stand out. Enjoy experimenting with different transition types and durations to find what best fits your creative vision.